Imagine never paying another dime for hosting, video storage, or funnel builders, yet having unlimited domains, unlimited websites, unlimited funnels, unlimited storage, and unlimited video hosting. All for a tiny one-time fee. Welcome to Infinite Suite. For years, companies like GoDaddy, HostGator, Dropbox, Vimeo, and ClickFunnels have been draining your wallet with sky-high monthly fees. But those days are over. With Infinite Suite, you can host unlimited websites, build unlimited funnels, store unlimited files, and run it all on blazing fast Intel Xeon powered servers forever. No recurring payments, no limits, no headaches. 20 times faster loading speed with enterprise-grade servers, free SSL certificates and ironclad security, unlimited bandwidth and personalized emails, 100% uptime with automated daily backups, beginner-friendly dashboard, no tech skills needed. On average, Infinite Suite users save over $1,000 every year by ditching outdated hosting platforms. Getting started takes just 3 steps. Log into our secure cloud dashboard. Choose your service, website, funnel, or storage. Launch and manage everything with one click. It's that simple. This is a limited time offer. Once it's gone, it's gone. Right now, you're getting lifetime access to Infinite Suite for just $15 one time. That's it. No monthly fees, no hidden costs. And because we want you to succeed, you'll also unlock 10 fast action bonuses designed to help you get even faster results. And the best part? You're completely protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So you risk nothing. The price is increasing every hour, so don't wait. Click the button below now and lock in your copy of Infinite Suite at this insanely low one-time fee.
Hi guys, I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing Infinite Suite. In this video, I'll guide you with a simple walkthrough demo of the Infinite Suite software. The world's first 4-in-1 hosting solution with cutting-edge Intel Xeon CPU technology, offering unlimited web hosting, cloud storage, high-speed video hosting, and funnel creation. Enjoy lifetime access without monthly fees. You'll be able to see this dashboard after your successful login. In this you'll have easy access to each feature of this software like web hosting, DNS, mail, database, CRON and the backups. To add your domain, just click the Add Web Domain option and enter your domain details and save it. The domain will be added now. To get the SSL for your domain, just click the pencil icon to get into this window and provide all the necessary details for it. Finally, choose the Enable SSL for this domain and other below 2 checklist options to set up SSL for your domain. Also, you are able to install apps like WordPress, Dalabar, etc. Just click Setup button below the app. It will install it within a minute. After following these steps, your domain will get the SSL and the WordPress app in it. Likewise, you can set up DNS, mail, DB, CRON for your domain. All your backups will be shown here. This notification icon will help you to get notified about any important things and issues or updates of your added domain. And the file manager will give you the access to view all your files in the directory.
In this, you are able to create, edit, and manage sites using this app. After login, this will be your dashboard. In this page, you'll see lists of sites you did previously. If you want to create a new site, click the New Site option at the top, and it will let you choose the site template you want for your site. You'll have many popular site templates to choose. Just select any site template you need and enter your site name, and then hit the Create button to create your site. Within a fraction of seconds, it will open the site editor page. In this page, you'll have all types of tools and things to edit your page, and page details like layout, buttons, forms tags, etc. You'll have full, complete access to the editing tools you need for site creation. or you can build the site with a blank page to build it from scratch. When you click on the Project tab, it will open the dashboard where you can find all the sites you recently created or in process of easy access to it.
Then, the Profile section will give you the access to change your account details like contact name, password, enable two-factor authentication, etc. I think I've covered all the topics inside the app in this walkthrough demo. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.